just got this guitar recently, and I found that the switch, okay, it's work in this position, horizontal. I play mostly strats, and you know that strat has a switch that is in this position, in diagonal, okay? So the first thing I did, because I found it a bit unnatural. So in your case, maybe the switch is already turned, or you have a different morphology, or you hold the guitar in a different manner. So I used this tool, it's the multi-spanner wrench, okay, to slightly unlock this dented ring and remove the back plate, and I position the switch in the most comfortable way for me. So it's slightly diagonal, okay? So it's just a more natural movement for my hand, more intuitive. And when you're playing live, this is, I think, quite important thing. And after positioning, you just use the other side of the wrench, you tighten it up, and there you go. One guitar ready to rock.